Welcome to Buildawebs. In today's video I'll show you how you can create a downloadable file like this. So if you click on it, it opens the file, and then you can download or print it. This option I'll also show in the footer, on posts or pages, and on the sidebar of a post. The first step in adding a downloadable file is uploading the file. So first of all, go into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Media and then go to Add New. Here you can choose the file, so we'll go Select Files and we'll choose a PDF that we're going to upload. Choose Open. It's now uploaded. And then what you can do is you can copy the URL to the clipboard, and we're going to reference this later. So if you click Copy URL, you see there, it's copied. We're now going to go into a post and add the downloadable file into there. So if you go to Posts, and then you go to All Posts, let's click Edit on this top one. Let's scroll down to the bottom, and then just hit Enter. Click on the plus here, and let's search for button. There it is, buttons. And then in here you can type whatever you like. I'm going to click download a free guide. And then when you click on here, there's an option to choose link. The link that we copied before, we're going to paste it in. And then once it's pasted in, click it here. And then if you click here, it'll open a new tab. I'd always recommend doing this. And then you can click Update. And you can preview it. So if we click Preview, Preview in a new tab, scroll down, and then when you click on Download a free guide, it should open up. And there it is. They can have a look through it, and if they want, they can go download, print, or they can choose any other option, or they can just generally look through it. So let's close that down. Now let's look at how you can add a downloadable link to the sidebar. So first of all, let's close this tab down, and let's go into the WordPress dashboard, and then let's go to Appearance, and then Widgets. So here, if we go to the main sidebar and then choose the plus here, we can search for buttons. There it be. And let's give it a title. And then we can choose the link. So you can choose the link here. So again, that can be found by going into Media. Just open this new tab. And then go into the file. And then you can copy this link here. So hover over it, choose the link, then you can paste it in. Click here. And then I always recommend again, open it in a new tab. And just click away, and then choose Update. And let's go to a blog post. So go to Buildawebs. Let's go to News. Let's click on this post. Scroll down, and you can see it there, where you can click on it. And again, it'll open it up where you can download, print, and choose other options, or just generally scroll through it. Let's have a look how you can add a downloadable file to the header of a website. So let's go back into the WordPress dashboard. And let's go to the website. So just view the site here, and then go to Customize. And then go to Header. So what I'm using here is the Blocksy theme, and it's quite cool because it gives you a header and footer builder, which I'll show you next. And then as you can see here, there's a button already available. So if we click in there, currently it's got this phone number at the top, but we could either click in and replace it, or close it and put a new one on. So you can drag the button on by doing it here, by dragging it from the side, and just switching around like that. So if we click on the button, you see currently it's got the number in there. We want to give it a name in here, call it download a free guide again. And then below here, we want to take the link from the media. So you can go to media by going to your dashboard, then media. And then you can go into the file. So if you click on the file, you can copy the link to the file and go in. And then you can paste it in the link URL here. So just get rid of the hashtag, paste it in. And then we'll click on open a new tab and just leave that as it is. And then you can hit publish. So then when we view it, you'll see it's got the button there where you can click on it and it'll open up the PDF, which you can download, print, or choose other options. Now let's have a look how you can add a downloadable file to the footer. So there's one more step to this. So first of all, go into WordPress dashboard and then go to appearance and then widgets. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the bottom here, and in one of the footer widgets, footer widget 3, we're going to remove the ones that are currently in. So I've got a starter site in here. I'm just going to get rid of the information that's in here. We're going to replace it. So if you click the plus here, and again, search for buttons, choose this one, and then you can give it a title again. Download a free guide. And then you can put the link in there. So we'll just go back to the file in the media library as I showed before. Click there. Let's go back to the site. And then choose the link. Paste it in. Click here. And then choose open in a new tab. And then choose update. We'll then go back to the customizer, and we'll scroll down, and as you can see, it's available in there. You can also add it in here by going in to the footer and doing the same where you add it into there. You can add there. So currently it's there, as you can see we created before. For example, you could add more in there, but that's how you do it. Choose publish, and we'll have a look at it. Scroll down. There it is. Click on download a free guide, and it opens up where again you can download, print, choose other settings, or just generally look at it. So if you want a downloadable file just like this one where you can click on it and it'll open it up, follow this video along. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe to see future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.